Hello everyone, welcome in 5th standard. My dear students, today we are going to start a new lesson. That name is the chocolate room. Just see, you know very well about chocolate and you like so much. So, in this lesson, here are some boys and they are going to visit in a chocolate factory. Actually, how it manufacture, how it is processed, so that all process they are going to show or watch. Now see, here is 5th number lesson, the chocolate room. Roald Dahl or Roald Dahl will always be counted among the greatest of modern British writers. Okay, it means that this lesson written by Roald Dahl. Okay, Roald Dahl, and this is a British writer. Now, this chapter is from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Okay, here is one chapter. That chapter name is The Chocolate Room, and this lesson from Charlie's Chocolate Factory. One of his most popular books for children. Okay, it means that this lesson present or this lesson written in that book also, and that is a very famous or popular book. Now, Mr. Willy Wonka invite 5 children for a visit to his chocolate factory. And this lesson, here is one person, that name is Mr. Willy Wonka. And he invite near about 5 students और 5 children, है ना, 5 बच्चों को उन्होंने बुलाया है, आमंत्रित किया है. For what? Why? To show his chocolate factory. चॉकलेट फैक्ट्री दिखाने के लिए उन्हें बुलाया गया है. Now, where is it? Among them is a poor little boy, Charlie Bucket, accompanied by his grandfather. The children see fascinating sight at the factory and have strange experiences. In this extract, Mr. Wonka show them the chocolate room. Okay, so already you know very well about it, Mr. Willy Wonka. Okay, Mr. Willy Wonka, and we can call it Wonka. Okay, Mr. Willy Wonka invite them, and when they enter in that chocolate factory, so that times they had a lot of experiences. What kind of that experiences? When they enter in that chocolate factory, so that times how it was that situation, है ना, कैसे situation थी, when it occurred or when it produced, वो कहाँ बनते हैं, how it produced, वो कैसे बनते हैं, है ना, that all observation, that all things they know very well about that when they enter in that chocolate factory. So that all things they know very well about it. It means that it become experience. वो experience हो गया. वो क्या हो गया? Experience हो गया. Now, right now I am going to start this lesson. Look at in your book. See, an important room this, cried Mr. Wonka, taking a bunch of keys from his pocket and slipping one into the keyhole of the door. Okay, when they were wandering in that chocolate factory, so that time there was one room, and in that room, or when they reached near about that room, so that times Mr. Wonka said, this is an important room of this chocolate factory, है ना. As type, when he just said, so that times he just took out keys, है ना. उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या किया? keys लिया, ठीक है, keys लिया, and की होल ऑफ द डोर, और जस्ट वो की क्या कर दिया है? उस डोर के होल में डाल दिया है. फॉर व्हाट? फॉर ओपनिंग द डोर. नाउ, दिस इज द नर्व सेंटर ऑफ द होल फैक्ट्री, द हार्ट ऑफ द होल बिजनेस, है ना. राइट नाउ, हाउ इट वाज दैट रूम? That room was very important. important. Why? Because Mr. Willy Wonka said this is a nerve center. Nerve center means what? That the most important part of the that place, person, whatever that. ये मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है. ये क्या है? मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है. ऐसा उन्होंने कहा. किसे? उस रूम को. किने कहा? बच्चों को. ठीक है ना. नाउ होल फैक्ट्री द हार्ट ऑफ द होल बिजनेस. और ये सारे फैक्ट्री का या फिर सारे बिजनेस का क्या है? एक क्या है? मेन पार्ट है. एंड सो ब्यूटीफुल. और काफ़ी अच्छा है. एंड सो ब्यूटीफुल. काफ़ी अच्छा है. ठीक है. नाउ I insist upon my rooms being beautiful. I can't abide ugliness in factories. Abide means tolerate. Abide means tolerate. Means what that? He just make their fully strictly disciplines, and he will never tolerate about such kind of nonsense things. Such kind of nonsense things. Now, in we go then, but do be careful, my dear children. Don't lose your head. Okay, here is one word, don't lose your head. What is meaning of that? Don't lose your heads. Here is means what that? Just that's here lost control. It means that, for example, है ना, you like chocolate very much. Okay, you like chocolates, and for example you just enter at your home. अगर आप आपके घर पे एंटर कर लेते हो और आपके पप्पा ने क्या किया? ढेर सारे चॉकलेट लेकर आए हैं और टेबल पर रख दिए हैं, है ना. और आपको चॉकलेट बहुत पसंद है. आपको चॉकलेट तो बहुत पसंद है. तो आप क्या करोगे? व्हाट यू विल डू? यू जस्ट डायरेक्टली रन एट दैट चॉकलेट, राइट, एंड यू विल कलेक्ट दैट ऑल. इट मीन्स दैट यू लॉस योर कंट्रोल. आप कंट्रोल आपका खो चुके हो. सो दैट लाइक सिचुएशन विल नॉट हैपन, or this situation or that situation should not be happened with you. That's why Mr. Willy Wonka said, don't lose your head, don't get overexcited when you just enter in the room. So that times when you just observe that chocolate room, so that times don't say that, or don't excited मत हो जाओ. एक्साइटेड मत हो जाओ. ऐसा उन्होंने कहा. किसने कहा? मिस्टर विली वोंका ने. किसे कहा? बच्चों को, है ना. किसके बारे में कहा? चॉकलेट रूम के बारे में. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है ना. ठीक है. राइट नाउ कीप वेरी काम. मिस्टर वोंका ओपन द डोर. 5 children and 9 grown-ups pushed their ways in, and oh, what an amazing sight it was that now made their eyes. Okay, and finally Mr. Wonka opened that door. And at that times that all children enter in that room, है ना. उस वक्त सारे के सारे बच्चे क्या हुए? एंटर हो गए. वेयर? इन दैट चॉकलेट रूम. सो दैट टाइम्स व्हेन दे एंटर इन दैट चॉकलेट रूम, सो दैट टाइम्स they feel a very fresh, and as well as they were very happy. Why? Because it was amazing sight. Now they were looking down upon a lovely valley. There were green meadows on either side of the valley, and along the bottom of it there flow a great brown river. Okay, it means that when they enter in that room, so there wasn't anything just like a bed, coolers, ACs, etc. It wasn't things at that times. Okay, उस वक्त वहाँ पे ऐसी चीज़ नहीं थे. Okay, when Mr. Willy Wonka opened that door, so that times all children enter in that room. So that times they observe some natures or some situations. What is that situation? That situation was just like when they enter in that room, so that time there was a valley. वहाँ पे एक अच्छे से 2 वैली थी. It's like totally grainy, हरी भरी एक वैली थी. दोनों वैली के बीच में से क्या हो रहा है? पानी कैसे बहता है? उसी तरह से चॉकलेट की नदियाँ बह रही है. That's why he said that they were looking down upon a lovely valley. There were green meadows on either side of the valley, and along the bottom of it there flowed great brown river. Our आर राइटर कौन है? हमारे राइटर का नाम क्या है? रोल्ड, ROLD, रोल्ड डैल। उन्होंने कहा कि दो वैली है, यू कैन सी इन दैट पिक्चर, है ना, दो वैली है और यहाँ से मस्त ब्राउन रिवर जा रही है। एक्चुअली दैट्स नॉट, एक्चुअली हमारे जो राइटर है उन्होंने बोला है कि ब्राउन रिवर, बट बेसिकली दैट इज अ चॉकलेट क्रीम, वो चॉकलेट क्रीम है, बट वहाँ पे ब्राउन रिवर बोला गया है ना, बट वहाँ पे ब्राउन रिवर बोला गया है, ठीक है। नाउ यहाँ तक समझ में आया? क्लियर है? देखो, I'll just recall one time again that our writer name is Roald Dahl. Okay, he written this lesson. That name is The Chocolate Room, and he just invites some students or some children. Okay, near about 5 children. Okay, and the children are right now they are in that chocolate factory. Okay, and they were wandering in that chocolate factory, है ना. So they had a lot of experience, है ना, they had a lot of experience, and at that times Mr. Willy Wonka of that person, we can call it, he is the owner of that chocolate factory, we can call it, he is the owner of that chocolate factory. Okay, so that time he just said that let me show you, okay, one room, that's a chocolate room. Okay, and this is the heart of this factory, heart of this business, है ना, this is a very important room, this is a very important room, he said. To whom? To children, है ना. Who said? Willy Wonka, right? And when he just opened that door, so that time there was a very beautiful nature. A very beautiful nature means what? That there were valley, है ना, there were valley as well as brown river. यहाँ तक हम आए हैं, ठीक है. शॉर्ट में मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन करके बताया है. Now I'm sure that you understood this much. Next part we shall continue our next video. Till then, say bye bye.